Potatoes are a staple in most backyards. Knowing how to grow them successfully makes all the difference. It's time for this week's Michigan Garden Moment. This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com. Potatoes come in all colors and varieties. You have early season potatoes that are 70 to 90 days to maturity, mid-season potatoes 90 to 110 days, or late season 120 to 135 days to reach maturity based on your growing conditions. You can grow them in the ground in a trench, then hill the soil over. You can do a no-dig method, or you can grow them in containers. Methods like the potato tower are proven ineffective and just simply wrong and do not work. So don't waste your time on that particular method. You can look up the different methods, but the key here is you can take your potatoes and allow them to sprout, or you can plant them as a whole potato. The advantage to sprouting the potatoes, allowing you to see where the sprouts are and allowing you to divide the potato to get more seed potatoes. You want to plant your potatoes when the soil temperature is no colder than 45 degrees, preferably 50 degrees at root zone if you're doing in a trench. You can get away a little bit flexible more with the temperature if you're doing a no dig method and piling yard debris or straw on top of the potatoes. You want to harvest your potatoes no earlier than 10 weeks after you have planted them. You'll get the new potatoes or baby potatoes. And you can wait until the plant reaches a mature state and it begins to die back. Then you can harvest your potatoes. Don't leave them in the ground too long. If they get wet for a long period of time, they'll rot. It happened to us. This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com.